Oh, we're fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed, the camera of my phone got broken. I don't know how much you can see, but it's completely shattered. And the problem is that it's very not shady, but it's not crisp. It doesn't have detail, and that's because these two are proximity sensors, or at least that's what I think. This is the main camera, and this is the 0.6 frame camera. Okay, so when you're making normal pictures, it's with this camera, and it's gone exactly straight on the glass. Now, my phone is never been opened before. Okay, so I don't want to open it, and I'll try to fix it by getting to the glass here. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'll take a heater, just a normal electric heater, and I will put the phone to heat up for a couple of minutes, maybe up to 5 minutes. And when I mean electric heater, I mean one like this one. I bought it for £2, very cheap. I'll turn on the heater, I'll put it to the side like this, and I'll let the phone heat. Now, I have a hot air machine. I'm gonna use it to heat up the glass a bit more. You don't want to overheat it because it might burn the sensors. So I'll heat up the phone just so the heat doesn't escape through the body of the phone. Okay, so let's leave this one to heat up for a while. Okay, so it's been around, let's say, 5 minutes maybe. I'm not 100% sure that I'll manage to stay. Say 370, maybe. It's getting hot now. I'll put some safety glasses. You shouldn't be able to touch it, okay? I don't know what should I use. Maybe if I start with it, I got here flat. Flat tweezer. Just maybe. A bit more heat, I think. No west. Oh, very hot. Oh, very hot. That's good. Very hot is good. Okay. You can see when it's very hot, you can remove the glue very quickly. I don't want to put heat on top when I don't have the glass. Oh, you just saw I touched the lens a little bit. There is no scratches on the lens, which is perfect. I'll take some this isopropyl alcohol and I'll clean up the area. Give me a second. Now where's my ear thingy? Oh, yeah. Maybe it's a bit too much this. Looks fine to me. I'll take the safety glasses out. No, maybe a bit more. Take a clean one. This one looks like a clean one. Oh, it's never gonna be factory, but it's okay. Now, this is the aftermarket glass. Very cheap, right around $2. I don't know if it has any. Yeah, it does. Some people are using super glue. I would not use super glue because my super glue is so strong that if I super glue it in place, it's going to not be able to take it out anymore. Good. I'll be very happy if I clean around that. Oh, you can see that the job is done. I think you can agree that this is good enough. I'll just clean up around the sensor here because this is gross, so it can be a bit less gross. Good. I think we can agree this is a lot better now. Let's give a try to the camera and let's make sure it's working fine. Perfect. A lot more clear. And now we got detail. This one is not the best though. Ah. Is there anything inside the lens? Can you see? It was very clear to me, but can you know? Maybe I melt the plastic. You need to be very careful. I think I melt the plastic on that. Can you see the little spot? Can you see tiny little spot? That's why you don't do a lot of heat. Well, at least that's what I need. I don't make so many photos with this camera. Well, now you're gonna know. I hope the video has been helpful to you. Give me a comment. Watch till the end of the videos you're watching it, because not all of them are always the best. I think my skill goes only that far. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.